Is that good? But you're just chugging it, huh? Is it delicious? I can't hear you with it in your mouth. What do you think?
Let me see.
No, what do you think of your shake?
Good.
Obviously, from a kid who doesn't eat anything. Tilt it back a little bit more.
Let me see.
Was it good?
Take a picture. Let me look my face.